There are many factories in the water treatment equipment industry. How to choose a reliable water treatment equipment manufacturer? It has become a headache for many companies. Do you have any good advice?
I have a few suggestions. Water treatment equipment is customized, involving the production process and inspection of each component. High demands on manufacturers. So when we choose, first, look for companies with relatively long years in the industry, because they can control the layout well, avoid risks, and be familiar with policy changes. The quality of the equipment can be better guaranteed. Second, the technical team and the ability to implement new projects are also very important. Can be used to judge the supplier's solution level. Third, it is the case where the other party has cooperated. We can use it to judge whether the other party can ensure delivery on time, fast installation and low-cost operation. The fourth is to look at the other party's pre-sale, in-sale and after-sale services, whether it can respond quickly and give a satisfactory plan. It is very important. After the water treatment equipment is running, there is operator training and common equipment failures. Then we give priority to companies with good service and responsibility. Ensure the stable operation of the equipment.